Hey first, we are back with another video. Hope you're doing great and welcome back to our channel. What if you could create an entire marketing campaign without switching between multiple AI tools? Imagine generating product images, creating AI tools, editing them, refining every detail and exporting the final result all inside one workflow. Today I will show you how I use CapCut Web Studio powered by Dreamina Seedance 2.5 to create professional AI marketing videos faster and much more control. So let's jump in. Here we are on the CapCut web page. Creating marketing videos usually takes a lot of time. You need images, you need videos, you need editing softwares, and you constantly switch between different tools. That workflow slows everything down. CapCut web changes by bringing everything together in one place. Now let's inside the CapCut web. I will open the video studio, and this is where the complete workflows begin. So I will select the Dreamina Seedance 2.5. You can simply check out the Seedance 2.5 I have selected. So inside it, which gives a more precise video generation and much greater creative control. Everything from generation to editing guys happens inside one workplace. Now guys, let's create our custom skills. That is the important thing. That is one of the guys biggest features in CapCut web is custom skills. You can simply guys open the skill section and you can check out inside explaining your creative preference. Guys, every single time you need you can create your own reusable AI skill. Think of it teaching the AI how you like to create videos. For this project guys, I will create a custom skill for my portable blender marketing campaign. Simply guys, you can check out the two options: upload a skill or create a chat. So I will select simply by creating a chat. Then guys, I will give them instructions. For example, maintaining consistent branding across everything. So I need to put my prompt there. This is what guys I want. So simply generating AI assets, use clean guys product lightning, keep the product centered and create modern marketing visuals. That is it. I want to be create a skill. Simply we can click on the send option and let's see. Once everything ready, I will simply save the skill. You can click on it, and now every time I start a new project, I can reuse the custom skills inside writing guys same instructions again. Simply click on the guys skill section and you will see the skills are there. That makes the workflow much faster while keeping every project visuals consistent. So now let's create the AI asset videos. I'll start with a simple prompt describing my portable blender within a minutes. CapCut web creates multiple high quality marketing visuals for us. Now I'm going to give the prompt to them to create a 30-second video for us. I have described every scene I want in my marketing videos, and let's see what kind of result we got from them. So simply I click on the guys send button and immediately CapCut web guys started working on this, and let's see how much time they consume and what kind of response we get from them. So guys, here is our video is ready. First of all, let's watch this. Instead of creating just one version, I can generate multiple creative variations for different marketing campaigns. That makes it much easier to test different styles and ideas without starting from scratch. That was the amazing video we got from them, guys. You have seen that. That was the amazing thing, guys. We received as a video. So now guys, let's do the third step, that is precise control. Guys, one of my favorite feature is to improved control. I can adjust specific part of the video. If you wanted to adjust specific part of the video, you can simply describe in via guys prompt there. Instead of changing the whole, you can simply refine it the specific part. And also guys, the Dreamina Seedance 2.5 guys can support up to 50 reference images. You can simply select the images reference or videos you wanted to be added in a video. You can simply select that as well. That can guys style consistent throughout the project and make the control incredibility useful and larger creative projects. Once the AI assets are ready, I will move into the multi-tracking editing timeline. Here guys, you can check out I can generate videos, images, captions, music, transitions inside the workspace. You can check out we have many kind of options. We can add the templates, elements, audio, text captions, transitions effect, and guys transformations filters there. Now guys, if you wanted to add the music in your video, we can simply mute the first music, and then we can add the any kind of music we want. We can simply add that music there, and the music will be added in our video. Now guys, second thing, if you wanted to add the effect in starting of your video, we can simply select the guys effect there. So let's put this effect there. So guys, you can check out after applying the effect, you can check out this is the effect we got after guys it. And let's see, the video looks good. Now guys, if you wanted to add the captions, you can simply click on the auto caption button, and you can click on the simply pro generate button, and guys caption will be generated there. That was the easy thing, you can simply add it. Now guys, if you wanted to guys generate and export the video, making changes is quickly initiative. Instead of repeating the same edits, we can simply refine multiple elements efficiently and keep our workplace organized. Simply guys, we can click on the export version, and then guys we can simply click on the download one and export it guys to your PC. That takes just within a few seconds and export in our guys gallery. So now let's perform the final thing, that is refine and extend. Dreamina Seedance 2.5 allows guys make it easier to refine your videos. You can extend your video up to 90 seconds as well. You can simply click on the guys video generated video there, and then guys we can simply click on there, and if you wanted to extend the video to 3 minutes or more, you can simply click on it. Then guys you can simply select the specific video, guys extend your video to 3 minutes, and simply click on the extend version. So this helps turn rough ideas into polished marketing content without leaving CapCut Web. If you like to explore this workflow yourself, tap the link in the bio and try CapCut Web. Dreamina Seedance 2.5 introduce more controllable AI video generation, timestamp based editing, support up to 50 reference assets, and video generation up to 90 seconds, making it a powerful upgrade for AI creators. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video guys. Goodbye.